Good morning, YouTube. John at J&J here with the test video for L2LE371. This is our 2002 IS300. Car has the awesome 2JZ GTE backed with the automatic transmission, non-turbo obviously. Involved in a pretty heavy rear end collision, but she has got a lot of good parts left on her. We'll walk around here. You can see all the body panels are still good. Got a lot of nice molding left on it. This is what totaled it out. She did Mustang things. Deck lid's in good condition. Spoiler's got some paint wear on it. Interior's very nice though. This does trim out as a black interior, but I think the Sun or Toyota color or Toyota executives are colorblind, but it looks really blue to me. Back seat's not going to be for sale. That happened. Overall, very nice condition up front here though. Front seat's got a piping that's coming off of it that can be repaired. Got a little bit of mud in it from doing some salvage yard things. Step inside here though and fire it up. 138,359 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at the motor. Pop the hood. There is that 2JZ doing its thing. It does have an aftermarket header on it with a terrible exhaust leak. I don't understand why people do these things and then don't just do them properly. Get a new gasket, tighten the bolts, fix it, but you went through all the trouble of putting that on and it kind of sounds like garbage until it gets warm. It's just not a good look. We are going to be selling this as a dropout though. You'll get the motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU and harness, ready to drop into whatever the heck you want a 2JZ power. Step inside really fast, test out the transmission, give her a couple of revs. This car does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. We are not sure of the brand. We're going to pull it off and try to find some identifications, but here's what it sounds like. That's not too shabby. Go ahead and test out the transmission. Drive, ooh, touchy brakes. And reverse, all engage right away. Oh. There we go. May have kissed the car next to me. Thanks, Toyo. Put her back in park. Test out the power windows. Oh, driver's side is NOP. We're going to go ahead and delete that. Passenger up and down. And let's check out the old sunroof motor. Oh, one touch. That's cool. That works. Climate control's got a little bit of delamination up there, but it's still working. Does its thing. Let's get the radio going. That works. Seat heaters. Let's see if those air out. Let's just get straight to it. Nope, lights stayed on. Seat heaters work, guys. That checks out. One more rev. Gotcha. That's a pretty good sounding car, man. We listen to a lot of exhaust around here, and that 2JZ always impresses. That's gonna wrap it up for L2LE371, our 2002 IS300. Don't mind the squint. The sun just decided to make an appearance in the middle of this video, and I do not have sunglasses. I'm John from J&J, guys. All the parts off this car are gonna be on our website, as always, www.jnjautoraking.com. Go ahead and give us a like, follow, tell us we're idiots in the comments. Do whatever, guys. We read them all. Thanks for watching, and we're out.